characters change with time. Yes. Throw na disciplinary approach yo muthe ya cianari. Ti area ya tene.
Acha.
Tondu he maundu nginya riu ungihorerio curu. Na ni mwana wa?
Ni mwana waku. Ni ugothi theini.
Yes. Throw tha ici cifu angeigua ati mucokanire mwita aciari. Muhe ciana communal punishment.
Mutakibia.
Which used to happen. He undu mweka mu across the red line. Aciari magavoco riu ku come together.
Maga combine efforts,
yes,
to deal with upcoming criminals.
Yes. Then they mix you, gather you. Mukare ho mukaheo kindu gitagwo, for lack of a better word, it was a mini mob justice.
Yes.
Mugatherwo ithe wa nderi twa ukuri haici
inya
ucoke uthihe waka muwa kuhe dozi yake
muthi uguo na raini
wake nuthia ukiuma haria wina mboko 27 nigetha horo ucio munyagerie rika rianyu
mumere guku ti kwega
umere mboko irakinyire 27 riu tige irathatu and you are either assassinated a domestic animal or messed with natural resources.
Yes.
Yes.
Ati munanete mugeteithia ruwi na rugongo. That was crossing the red line.
Yes. Kana mukaruma mundu mugima. Yes. Maundu ta macho ndungimona. And even in school the systems have since changed. Actually kuri hindi, and I think that was during the Moi era, if I'm not very wrong. We de kwagire mukana gokibanwo caning. In school, after there was an incident where people died, thirikari ikarathi ikiban kuhura ciana thuku na rikari ria banirwo kuhurwo ri umuthi they are not very good people.
They are not. They are not.
Yes. It was banned. Yes. Haria maundu mangi na matia banirwo. They were just faced out. Faced out. So the one either that is very retrogressive or is too demeaning. Nyamu cio cietagwo muntu.
Muntu kia to heo mundu aria ruga ya mama.
Yes. You are being punished for being yourself.
That was neo-colonialism.
It was those were colonial relics. Those were slave drivers. And you see, you are demeaning to an extent that kwe maki uthagira njira itigaine kwe maheo signboard ya utangathira thukuru yanyu how silly you are
and whoever cares to look.
Yes. Ukaheo karufa ukahuretwo randa wega na kandikwa very demeaning message.
I'm a fool.
Yes. I am useless. I think it really worked on people's esteem.
Muno.
Yes. And the slave drivers of then, that system can work itself out. They were neori. Yes. Yes. Yes.
There and then
immediately
you hand over
waneona instruments of power to confide
to the next.
It was either that one kana Gikunia. Actually Gikunia was the horrible one.
Gikunia was bad.
No kwa jandu mare akui. Riu keire mundu mukue Gikunia kiwa anata ale dress. Ana mundu athi guthoya uki.
Mothe ndungika maundu ta mau thukuru.
You cannot.
You can't.
Iwona mundu orite na Gikunia. Mukamanya ti ati mutiaragia Gikuyu. Mutikinyire
ni haria mutari mukinyirire.
Yes. Nake atinda matume bawa. Yes.
Ona ni agotemtaga.
Yes.
Agoka hari we. Ni arenda kwa ura Gikunia. Agakwariria Gikuyu.
Agoka kwira atiri. Uhoro waku gathaia.
Imoru.
Oya icokire ri. Jaura icokire ri. Rano ya.
Uko Bogonia.
Oko boicho. And you know you would not refuse because there was a higher. No, don't you get kinya okurekera ori hetu. Yes.
No okurekera wina punishment.
Yes.
Na mbara mwili.
Leu ane okaria mukira. Leu anu nmakinya handu wakora ando be very alert. Yes. Very alert. Wera bodu. Keitheka karo. Mzuri sana.
Najua unataka kunipea hiyo kitu.
Najua unataka kunihea hiyo. Bas. Mimi huwezi kunihea monto.
No many authorities ni achekaga uguo randomly.
Yes.
Ikamenya how you are progressing.
Maoga kurora the penal code. And how it is being effected.
Nani alikuwa nayo jana jioni? Kamau, ulipea nani?
Nilipea Wajira.
Wewe si Wajira? Na wewe ulipea nani?
Mike Mugo.
Why is he?
He has gone to the toilet.
Nani yako naye saa hii?
Ni nani? Susan Nigusu.
Kaa nayo. Pate adabu.
Odoka ako au taimena muntu. Akura. Tehera hakua. Mimi siko hako. Kitu. And I met to understand muntu na mundu inukaga nayo.
Agoro ndo warigia nayo hwaini.
Yes.
Shukuri cia day.
Yes.
If you don't find another victim,
yes,
wewe unabeba hiyo mzigo.
Yes.
Unaenda naye nyumbani.
Kama umevaa ama unaiweka kwenye parafanaria.
Utaivaa.
Uenda nayo kama umevaa paka barabarani.
Lakini vimoda vikifika kwa Mbalambala,
yes,
silikuwa sina aola. Kitoka kwa gate,
yes,
anasema hata nyinyi powers yenu imefika kwa gate.
Yes.
Hapa kwa ngina ni kwa chief.
I think nekio ciana cia matuko mocia kinyando ikauga atiriri tikio lonjari. That was demeaning. Colonial.
Mutino wale kwaja ukugwira Friday.
Yes.
Na wae kuona mundu ungi ukikwaura. Ikare na muntu weekend ngima.
Ni uroke na guo mad. Wearing your armor.
Twaba mana ke primary. Odire murigo ne munene muno.
Yes.
Aindukite naguo weekend ikirumaniririo.
Yes.
He decided to do the unthinkable and burn the thing.
Yes.
Alichoma.
Those were the people who were now the freedom fighters.
Na akasema liwe liwalo.
Na hiyo shule nimemaliza. No, you cannot do that today.
Na agituma na ndumiriri kinya cukuru.
Ekinya cukuru.
Kumenyeke ni aramehihiria.
Ate system weyo.
Ubuthe ndungika uguo. You can't.
Ikonia. No. No, personally me ndiende kira muntu ucio. Tona ngithie go secondary ri. Ndakuiri wari waria iku ukagura novo.
I will say the secondary we are jagia.
Yes.
At least the modalities change.
Munu ekira sign board yale kitu ama fool.
Yes.
So you find another fool in quotes.
Yes. Wewe inatumia lugha ya mama.
You bequeath the foolishness. Ekonia no geko kiandikitwo ndu.
Gikonia kaigitia ko gikiandike.
Yes. It will just frame you as a slow learner.
No gikonia no amenya we marked the whole school.
Na nekia white. Nekia dafu. Na mjua kwa ndo bale turana kio.
Ni kula ndo no ginya magiagwirirwo nikio every day.
Yes.
No ginya kimugwire.
You know the mundu in his element. And you have to be very psychological. You have to have a psychological appeal. Because you get the necessary results. Kamuria tiriri. Magua. Nyokuri ikodo.
Likwenda.
Bas. Wehube kayo. Fulama.
Ila kena ina mote wadi.
antimon tole uyasi na ciari because we are actually there.
Nema? True.
Yes.
We muhuthiri wa utungata